myself is doing.
Explain it.
Well, I have this little Jenga block, and when I take it out and throw it down, it's gonna. This says go, but that go is gonna fall down like that. And when Daddy sees the go sign go down, he's gonna cut this tape with his scissors. And this Jenga block is gonna be allowed to push on this. Now, if this Jenga block
Wait. Julius is about to knock it over.
if this Jenga block is falling off, it's still okay, because what I know is even if that Jenga block doesn't touch it, this track will go sliding down the tub and hit these, pushing down all of them. And you see this tower? It's going to release this marble going down my Skyward marble track and falling into the lid of the Jenga blocks. Now, Daddy, get your scissors. Daddy, get your scissors and come over here. And you've also got a video. Now, here I go. Remember, Daddy, when the go sign.
Whoa.
Something's wrong here.
Did he take the marble out?
He knocked on this and I've got to put that marble down back. Okay, Julius? So please do not take it back. Now, here I go, and remember all the steps you've got to do, Daddy.
I'm remembering.
Remember, videotape your own self.
I think we have to say, great job, Saul. I love that.